Good morning. My name is Matt Miller. I'm here with my colleague Larry Browning. It's Sunday, December 18th, and it's a minus 28 degrees outside here in Brookings. It's not time for ChemEd quite yet. If you want to come today, that would be fine, but we won't be ready for you until July. And because of that, we're going to do an experiment that we can't guarantee the conditions in July, but I think we can guarantee them today. So take a look at our experiment of what happens to water at minus 28. Okay, so what we're going to do is, and this is not a new thing, if you go on the web you'll see all sorts of people who have done this, but we're going to try it ourselves as well. We've got some cold water. I'm going to pour some of that cold water into this cup. I don't know, I've got a little over a quarter of a cup full. And let me do the temperature real quick. This is in Celsius, and the temperature of the water, it had been sitting outside in my car for a bit this morning. It's just a little bit under, it's 9.5 approximately degrees Celsius. So a little bit colder water. And then in the thermos, Larry prepared some warm water for his tea, but I confiscated it. All right, so now I'm going to pour some of this into the other cup. We'll try to get about the same amount. There we go. And the temperature of that water is right at about 90, just a little over 91 degrees Celsius. Now let's go outside and see what happens.
Okay.
Okay, so I have the warm water and I have the colder water, so let's throw the warm water first. Are we ready, Larry?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, here we go. Throwing it up. And now the other one, the warm water, or the cold water.
Okay, here's Matt Miller, and he has a spray bottle with cold water in it. And you can see it's making a cloud. Now, Matt has some hot water in the thermos. You can see as it does form. Okay.
Okay, so sun's starting to come up on us. It's starting to warm up dramatically. We got another little evidence here. As you can see, our cords are cooling down very nicely. Here's on our LabQuest. We've got all three temperature scales. We're still bouncing our way down a little bit here. I'm not sure what it says now. This is about minus 21. Celsius at minus 28. See, we're getting close to that wonderful minus 40 cutoff point. Crossover, I suppose I should say. Well, we want to say thank you for looking at our website. Hopefully you're considering coming in July to ChemEd. Take a look at our website. We'll have lots of information for you over the next few months.